Spanish social welfare activist and donor John Monsistore was paid tribute at Munawar Public School, Mashlu District, Gansha, Gilgit-Baltistan, who passed away Wednesday, April 15, at the age of 75. The above-mentioned school teacher Gulzar Hussain throws light about the purpose of this condolence ceremony.
Respected guests, teachers, and dear students, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. We have gathered here today with heavy hearts to remember and pay tribute to a founder of Felix Foundation, Mr. John Mansesdor. This is indeed a moment of deep sorrow as we mourn the loss of a remarkable individual whose presence touched many lives.
John Mansesdor was a well-known person not only in his country but also abroad for his volunteerism in social work and passion for well-being of the vulnerable communities. According to Spanish media, he served his country 35 years as Director Communication and Social Welfare at BBK. After his retirement, he remained active through other initiatives such as Baltistan Foundation and Felix Foundation, which promote development in Hushe Valley in Pakistan. Munawar Public School is one of the projects of the Felix Foundation. According to the Shamsher Ali, the CEO of the Felix Foundation Machlu, Monsistore was the key contributor of the organization. He expresses deep condolence to his friends and family by 1 minute keeping silence and pays tribute on his humanitarian work.
मचलू सलीम से लेकर हुशे के जो लोग हैं, इन सब के हवाले से हम फिलिक्स फाउंडेशन स्पेन के जो मेंबरान हैं और उनके जो फैमिली मेंबरान हैं उनको हम ताज़ियत पेश करते हैं। और आप सब से मेरा एक गुजारिश यही है कि हम 1 मिनट के लिए इनकी याद में खामोशी अख्तियार करना है कि आप खड़े हो जाएं और खामोश रहें प्लीज़।
Spanish media declared him as a leading figure in the Basquiat economy as the head of the communication for BBK. But his true passion was the bank's social outreach program. Therefore, Principal Munawar Public School Machru Muhammad Yusuf calls him good human being.
On the passing of Mr. John Mansesdor, a great humanitarian who worked for humanity, for the cause of human beings, I want to express our deep condolence to his family on his passing, and we are deeply saddened to know about the passing of Mr. John Mansesdor. My dear students, what he has done for humanity, what he has done for our people is absolutely remarkable and exemplary. His services are unforgettable. We can't forget him. What he has done for us is something very special. He has not only worked for the cause of education, he has worked for the cause of women empowerment. He has his contribution in the field of agriculture. He has a great role to provide shelter to our people. He has done a lot of things for us. And what he has done, we can never forget that. I would like to pay tribute to him. I will consider him a great man, a noble person. Why? Because of his services for humanity, for our people. He has done a lot of things for our people. And at the end, I would like to once again, I would like to thank him for his services, and I want to show our deep condolence to his family on his passing. And it's an occasion for us that we should pay tribute to him and remember him forever.
Participants of the ceremony not only paid condolence to Mansesdor's friends and family, but also paid tribute for his humanitarian work by saying his service for the uplift the life standard of the remote regions people will be remembered always. Fida Hussain, Voice of Karakoram District, Ganj, Gilgit Baltistan.